Morning, guys. I hope y'all having an awesome day. Well, it's actually good afternoon. So I'm going to revisit trying to make my guacamole. So I have my cilantro cut. I have my tomatoes cut. I have my onions cut. I have me some fresh garlic cut. I have some garlic right here. I have some lemon juice. Some kosher Hawaiian sea salt, and I have some garlic salt. So hopefully we're going to see these is a lot softer. I'm going to revisit trying to do my guacamole. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Nice and beautiful. Come on, 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 come on. Go. So, you see I don't come out like the when you watch the other people's channel. Their guacamole just fall right out. Now, guacamole go bad so quick. So, you know what? I'm not going to make a lot because it goes bad really, really quick. So, I don't want to make a lot because you make a lot, it wind up turning brown. And I don't like it when it turns brown. Some people still eat it when it turns brown, but I particularly don't want it. Turn brown, I'm throwing it out. So I don't want to make a lot because it's just me. So trying to get the little ball out, get all the guacamole off of it. So I'm just going to make 2 of them. Maybe I just make 1. You know, it's just me. And I'm the only one that's going to be eating this. So I haven't been really having visitors. So I don't want to like call my neighbors and nobody over. I'm still technically COVID. So I'm just smushing up the avocados really good. Some people say you don't want to smush it where it's all the way mushy. So for me, everybody do that a little different. Put my little garlic in there. And I'm going to put a little garlic salt. Ooh, that seemed like a lot. Ooh, I hope it's not. Let's put some cilantro in here. Let's put some tomatoes in here. Let's put some onions in here. Let's put some fresh garlic in here. Because with the garlic salt, it did more than what I was expecting it to do. I'm not going to do no more because I'm scared that it'll be salty, okay? You don't want nothing salty. So you just mix that up really well. I've been craving this guacamole. I hope that my taste buds can enjoy it. Touch of lemon juice. And then I'm going to warm up my quesadilla from yesterday. And I'm going to eat it with this. So I'm going to let you guys know how it came about. How it tastes. So give me a minute to warm up my quesadilla, and I'll let y'all know how my homemade guacamole came out. Okay? Give me a minute to warm it up. Okay. Okay. So I got my quesadilla warmed up, and we're going to put the guacamole in here. I'm going to let y'all know how it tastes, okay? I've been craving this guacamole. I've really been craving this. Really, really good, okay? So, this is what I want, how I wanted to have my quesadilla yesterday, but unfortunately, the avocados wasn't ready, and I didn't feel like going back out. So, I just saved me half of the quesadilla for today so I can have it. So, I'm going to taste the guacamole and tell y'all how it tastes. Okay. Come on. Coming loose, coming loose, coming loose. Okay. Tastes really good. I like it a lot. So if you guys are going to make the guacamole and you just making it for yourself, don't make a whole lot because it turns brown. Just take your time and make it as needed as what you can eat at one time, because the guacamole will go bad. You know, I don't think you want no guacamole. Oh, you want guacamole? I'll give you a piece of the meat. I don't think you want no guacamole. It's my buddy. That is my buddy. Really amazing. And this is only with one avocado. I love it. So, and I can taste it, so I think my taste buds is coming back. So you guys have an awesome Friday. Thanks for watching.